fast forward. Hi everyone. Hi, I'm Somi. Just came home from work and I was like, why not turn on a live? It's been a while. 네. 스케줄을 다 하고 집에 왔는데 라이브 하면 좋겠다 해서 그냥 켜봤어요. 저 크리스마스 트리 I put my Christmas tree up by myself. Cute, right? 완전 귀엽죠? 이거 봐요, 천장 이것도 있다. Oh, 조명 is not bad. Speak English? Yeah, this took me about an hour and a half. Look at the light, isn't it cute? I know. 너무 늦었죠, 시간이 1시 반? It's 1:30 a.m. in Korea. It's pretty late, but I was like, why not? I got nothing to say, but yeah. Nothing in particular. Hi everyone. My house is so quiet. My house is so quiet. Where's your little sister? Oh, I live alone now. She's with my mom and dad. Hi, Somi. Hi. You know, this makeup is just a fire. So I had to show you my makeup. Kisses from Brazil. Thank you. 소미씨 입술 뭐 발랐어? 입술 뭐 발랐더라? 뭐 발랐더라? 내 입술? 내 입술? 기다려봐, 뭐 발랐더라? 나 똑같은 거 사놨는데 친절한 편. 내 입술 뭐 발랐더라? Someone asked what my lip color is. 얘네? 얘네 중 하나예요. 이게 이름이 뭐야? 이름이 뭐야? 레미유 Dewy Flow Tint number 8, number 6, or number 7. One of them. Have you tried Filipino food? Sure, of course. When I went to the Philippines, I tried a lot of food there. It was really good. I really liked it. 진짜 할 거 없다. Can I eat you because you're so sweet? Somi, marry me. Sure, why not? 나 빨래. 빨래 건조기 넣어놨는데 그거 빼야 되는데. My house looks so cozy. Look at that on the tree and the lights, so cute. Why are you not sleepy, girl? Why are you not sleeping? I just came back from work. So I literally just came back from work. 할 건 없어. 할 건 없는데 그냥 키워봤어. There's nothing to eat. There's nothing to do. 이렇게 일하고 온 날에는 after work, I want to be productive. So like I would love to do something, but there's literally nothing for me to do. The one thing I should do is remove my makeup and go to bed. 집에서 너무 이쁘게 있는 거 아니야? 저 일하고 와가지고 아직 화장을 안 지웠어요. 그래서 진짜 딱 오자마자 키면 좋겠다 해서. 감사합니다. 요새 생얼로 계속 입다가 화장하니 기분이 좋군요. 언니 너무 이뻐 진짜 세상. 고마워. Show us your lovely Christmas tree, girl. My lovely tree. No, like, my lovely Christmas tree. It's kind of sloppy. 약간 이렇게 해놨는데. Yeah, because our family has a tradition and we all give each other an ornament every year. See, this is 2017. Like, we all have that written down. And my dad and mom, they passed it on. They gave me my ornaments that was at home. So, yeah. I hung them up. Bro, English please? Yo, I've been speaking English the whole time. 영어랑 한국어 중에 뭐가 더 편해요? 한국어가 그래도 전 좀 더 술술술술 나오는 것 같아요. 영어도 하긴 이렇게 편하긴 한데 영어는 좀 뭐랄까 좀 더 말조심을 해야 해요. 영어는 Sing XOXO. Yo, it's 1:30 in the morning here. 한국어요. 한국어. I'm not speaking like what 저한테 뭐 궁금한 거 없으세요? 저 약간 할 거 없는데 진짜로. 그냥 켜놓고 있을까? 그냥 집이 너무 어두운 것 같고. Did you watch First We Feast? The Heat Eaters? Did you watch that? Like the hot sauce that they gave me. What was it called? The Last Stab? That was like really, really hot. Like, I can't. I had a hard time bouncing back. Love you, Somi. Thank you. Wink. Is this lighting okay? I like to turn on the fireplace YouTube video when I'm at home. So is it a Canadian thing? No, I don't know. It's a Western thing because our house always had a fireplace. I just like to. 저는 이 불멍 하는 거 진짜 좋아하거든요. 오늘 저녁 못 먹었어. 오늘 저녁을 아직 못 먹었어요. 아까 방울토마토 좀 먹었어요. Hi. Did you do your makeup alone? No, I had a schedule today, so it's done. Bye, pony. 예뻐요. 감사합니다. 이거 질문? Should I get some questions? How can I get questions from you guys? Can you guys send it to me, or like do I have to open something up for you guys to send it to me, or is it already available? Oh, okay. 아직 질문이 없습니다. 뭐지? Fast forward. 아, 저 몰랐는데 인스타 라이브 하면서 노래 틀면은 라이브가 끊기더라고요. I didn't know, but like if you turn on some music while doing Instagram live, it cuts you off. 소미야, 이 댓글 보면 눈을 깜빡여. And as you could tell, I am black to blonde, wearing a blondie sweatshirt. Oh, and this sweatshirt is in the Fast Forward music video because I wore it, and this is just like it's mine. So I wore it in the nerd look. 이거를 어떻게 하지? 참여해. Oh, wait. No. I am learning Korean to come and see you. Can you encourage me? Korean is so hard, but like if you get to learn it, you can. There's so many expressions that you can express, like in vocab. There are so many words and depths and layers and like same meaning but different vocab. Like it's kind of crazy, but like if you get to learn and like know. What's the pros at being good at Korean? Like, got me thinking. No, but it's gonna be good eventually. You know, like learning another language. Like, that's crazy. Movie recommendations. I don't watch a lot of movies. What's your favorite song at the moment? What was that called? Wait, let's go to Spotify. Instagram, are you going to cut me off if I turn on some music? Hola, hola. 요즘 뭐 듣지 나? 여기 아, 뭉치한테 내가 노래 추천해준다 그러고 뭐 까먹었네. 아닌가? 추천해줬나? 추천해줬었나? 혹시 여기 뭉치 있나요? 곡 내가 말 안 해줬나? 뭐지? Jazz. But I'm thinking of renaming my fans. Like, is that possible? Can I rename my fans? I don't know, but I was thinking about Smooch, because Smooch is kind of cute, don't you think so? Because it's similar to Somongchi and like Somi, my name, but like Smooch. Smooch is kind of cute. And you This song is. 냉장고 시점. 냉장고 시점. I'm gonna put you in my fridge. 진짜 혼자 잘 논다, 그쵸? I had 2 bites of it this morning. There's someone behind me. I'm cold. The Dutch part of me. I have cheese in my house all the time. It's in the dark. Oh, this song is really nice too. Well, it's a legendary song. Total Eclipse of the Heart, Bonnie Tyler. So where was gonna start? Once upon a time I was falling in love. Now I'm always falling apart. Out of conversations. I'm out of conversations. I'm out. Got nothing to say, nothing to do. Oh, the cheese is so good. 이 노래 좋은데. It's called Puddles. Daniel.